Take command of the road in the 2007 Cadillac Escalade. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, high-intensity discharge headlights, adjustable pedals, and air conditioning. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.